nagganon. Okay, okay. What do you think this means? Eme lang, charot. What do you think that means?
Emela. Charot.
Joke lang. Kunyari lang.
됐어.
Never mind.
됐어.
Tama, tama. Okay, so these two expressions are actually very similar. They're both the same way of saying, it's a joke. Parang just kidding. It applies pa rin pala. Oh, joke lang. Okay.
오케이 오케이.
Okay, okay. So now, okay, let's try and apply it.